Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by addressing the simplest physical and account causes so you can eliminate them fast. Power off the phone, remove the SIM, inspect for dirt or bent pins, then reseat it firmly. This resolves many hardware detection issues. Once done, toggle airplane mode on then off and perform a full restart so radios reinitialize. Make sure your carrier account is active and there are no local outages. These checks rule out the most common external causes before deeper fixes. Next, you dive into configuration and software causes because radios often work but settings block service. Open mobile network settings, set preferred network to 4G/3G/2G auto, and try manual carrier selection if automatic lookup fails. If that does nothing, reset network settings to clear corrupted profiles and check APN values against carrier specs. Edit them to match. Once done, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps like VPNs. For stubborn cases, perform advanced updates and methodical swaps so you isolate hardware from software faults. First, update the OS and any carrier or modem firmware updates available. These can restore compatibility. Test the SIM in a known good phone and insert a known good SIM into your handset to identify which side fails. If software remains suspect, backup data and perform a factory reset. Only consider flashing firmware or opening the device after. If nothing works, contact your carrier or an authorized service center for hardware diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.